Hey, after weeks of using this every single day, there was a moment where I just stopped thinking about my rig and started enjoying what I was doing. Skytech Gaming Azure 3. You the kind of person who knows when performance doesn't feel right anymore, that tiny hitch in a boss fight, that awkward load time in a game you shouldn't be lowering settings for, or the subtle lag when you switch from gaming to editing. You've accepted good enough for too long, and you can feel it. Before anything else, check the current price and stock of machines like this. Don't wait around, and you don't want to be the one who looks back wishing you'd jumped on it. There was a clear turning point for me, loading into an open world that used to drag, and suddenly, boom, everything just happened. No stutter, no hesitation, no second guessing whether this rig could handle what I wanted to throw at it. That's when you know you've outgrown compromise. You stop telling yourself it'll do, and you start expecting flow. Once that expectation is met, there's this incredible sense of relief, like finally wiping a fogged mirror clean. You feel it in the way games load, quick, smooth, effortless. You feel it in every frame that stays solid instead of dipping at the worst moment. You feel it when you jump from an intense match straight into a huge creative workload and nothing blinks. This isn't about raw numbers on paper, it's about experience. And once you feel that experience, everything slower feels like something you used to tolerate. Don't sit on this hoping for some dream deal tomorrow. Prices fluctuate, stock changes, and every moment you wait is another moment you still playing catch up with your own gear. You know that twinge of regret, that if only I grabbed it when I could feeling. That's exactly what you're avoiding by acting now. If you're wondering whether this is more machine than you need, that doubt melts away fast. Once your system just keeps up with you gaming, editing, multitasking, whatever you throw at it, you start noticing how much your old setup was silently slowing you down. There's a kind of calm confidence that comes with that, where you boot up and trust your PC to perform without excuses. There's a quiet but satisfying pride in owning hardware that doesn't just work, but keeps up with everything you do. It doesn't yell about it, it just performs. You boot it up and feel it right away. This is a system built for real use, not compromises. You feel a smoothness in every game that keeps you immersed. You feel responsiveness that doesn't flinch at big workloads. You feel confidence when switching between tasks without hesitation. You feel clarity in performance that just stays stable. You feel like your setup finally matches how seriously you take your play and your work. Sure, it's not the most compact box you've owned, and premium performance does mean thoughtful investment. But here's the thing, at some point, comparing endless specs just loops you around. You already know which rig your instincts keep bringing you back to, the one that actually makes sense for how you use your machine. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, choose the system that feels right now. If you're ready to stop compromising and start experiencing real performance that keeps pace with you, check availability now while it's still within reach. This is the sort of upgrade you'll look back on and thank yourself for making.